Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video I will teach you how you import your Envato template in WordPress. Before you start it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a video notification. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Go to your dashboard. Click on plugin, add new plugin. Search Envato. Here you can see by Envato. Just click on install now. Click on activate. And now click on element tab and now click on install kit. Here you can see upload template kit zip file. Click on plus icon and import your template here. Now you can see your template is here. You need to install requirement plugin. Just click on install requirements. Click on install above selected requirements. After installing all plugin, you need to install your pages. Firstly, you need to install global kit style. It's compulsory. Import template, and now you can see which pages you want to install in your WordPress website. So just you need to click on import template. I just use homepage, token sale imported, services, about us and team. Just click on import. So now you can see all pages imported successfully. Click on template. Here you can see your template is imported successfully. So this is the video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video notification. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.